Hi guys, this is Wizard1 with another unboxing. Today we have the Xiaomi Xiaoyi Mirror Dashcam. I was recently notified via email from Xiaoyi that they had a new product that was basically a rear view mirror with a built-in touch-controlled front and rear combo dashcam. Upon further investigation, I discovered that the Chinese version of this was actually released in December of 2017, but the English UI version was only released recently. It's been over 2 years since I posted my original Xiaoyi car DVR review, and it's still going strong to this day, enduring some harsh temperatures from positive 30 degrees down to negative 30 degrees. So I thought it was time to upgrade and test out this new DVR from Xiaoyi. You can buy this directly from Xiaoyi's official US Amazon storefront for $69.99 US. However, since I'm in Canada, they charge an additional $30 US to ship it to me via their global shipping program. Searching at the other usual resellers of Xiaoyi and Xiaomi products, I've only found lightinthebox.com selling it for $82.99 US or about 110 Canadian, including free expedited 2 to 5 business day shipping. I took a chance and ordered it from them, and it came a few days later without getting hit by customs. I did read from reviews of other people that purchased this from them that there have been numerous occurrences where delivery time far exceeded the stated 2 to 5 days. So I highly recommend you pay with PayPal to protect yourself in case of non-receipt. Okay, so let's just open this up and see what it comes with. Okay, so it's really taped on. Okay, so we have a manual which is, as expected, completely in Chinese. We have the mirror itself. And what else do we have in here? We have the external rear-facing camera, as well as the additional super long cable, which should be, I believe they said that it's 6.5 meters or about 21.3 feet. We have a Xiaoyi branded single port car adapter rated for 2.1 amps at 5 volts. We have a very long standard not a micro, but as mini USB cable. And a replacement, I think these are the replacement rubber clips for the back of the unit here. Okay, so the Xiaoyi Mirror Dashcam is a replacement rear view mirror that mounts over your existing mirror. So if you have any fancy features on your car like compass or auto dimming mirrors, you might not want to get this, and you might instead want to go for a more traditional DVR that mounts to either your windshield using a suction or adhesive mount. The Yi mirror features a 4.3-inch touchscreen located in the center of the screen here, and it features a front-facing 1080p 30 frame per second 138 degree ultra wide angle camera and a separate rear facing 720p, which is the one in the bag here. It's a separate rear facing 720p 25 frame per second camera with a 120 degree recording angle. It features a large aperture f-stop of 2.0 with 4 full glass lenses and an infrared sensor, which should allow the Yi mirror to deliver clear day and night H.264 videos. It also has a built-in 3-axis gyro sensor, which not only detects collisions to activate the emergency mode and protect your original videos, but also detects whether or not you're reversing and will automatically switch the video feed showing on the mirror itself to the rear-based camera. Now, I know there are a lot of you out there that have concerns with dash cams that have built-in batteries. In this case, the Yi mirror has a tiny 240 milliamp hour non-removable battery rather than a built-in capacitor. However, just looking at the back of the device, you can see that it looks pretty well ventilated. It's highly unlikely that there's really something to worry about if the actual internal battery fails due to overheating because it's such a small battery. The internal battery on this unit is actually the exact same capacity as the one found on the Xiaomi car DVR, and again, it's endured 2 years of excessive heat and cold without any issues. Similar to the Yi car DVR, the Yi mirror also features built-in 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which allows you to easily access the video saved on the micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes in capacity without needing to remove it from the device. It just slots up here. Okay. You can also view these videos via the smartphone app, which is supported by both iOS and Android. Before concluding this unboxing video, I would lastly like to show you how to install this, as well as provide you with translations to the user interface, especially because this is Chinese, and I think this will be helpful for a lot of people. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're in the car now. So we have the mirror here. So all you do is you pull these tabs out, and they flap down. So you pull all these tabs out. There's 4 of them total. Okay, like that. And then you basically, the included plastic rubber things that we saw earlier, you hook it to the top part of the hook here. Like that. Let me put the other one on too. So you have it like that. Bring this down. And hook this back onto the bottom side. Same thing with this side. Hook it down and hook it onto there. And it's installed now. It's not really going to move at all. I might need to move this out of the way because it looks like it might be obstructing the camera here. But yeah, it's basically installed now, and that's really easy for installing it. Let's push this in, and then basically you would just wire this here, all the power and the whatnot. You wire it and run it along the side of the lining of the car. Okay, so now that it's installed, I'm going to run a bunch of screenshots showing you all the translations for all the screens in the UI so that you know how to actually use it, since it's all in Chinese. Okay, so this has been Wizard One bringing you the unboxing review of the Xiaomi Mirror DVR, which can be currently purchased from either lightinthebox.com for $82.99 US or $69.99 US from Yi's official Amazon storefront. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos, and you will receive notifications whenever new videos are posted. Thanks for watching and have a great day.